Hey there, I'm Ennio, the developer of Snapmesh. Snapmesh is a plugin for Blender that lets you create photogrammetry 3D models inside Blender on macOS. So I want to show you in this video how to install the plugin, how to use it, and the differences between the various versions of the plugin. So let's start with the installation process. I will first install the free version of the plugin, and the plugin is basically one panel, and you can select one folder of images from here. So I have a series of tests, very fast tests, so with less than 20 images, just to test all the functions of the plugin. So I can select one. In the free version, you will have limited access to all the options available on the Lite and Pro plugin. And once you select the folder, you can compute the model. And while it's computing the model, you can also select another folder. So for example, this one, accept, and you can start another process, or this one, and you can start another process. Let's see the results. So the first one is ready. And here's the second one. And the third one also. When you download and install the free version of the plugin, you can only choose between masking enabled or not. Let's see what we have with the Lite and Pro version of the plugin. Now let's install the Lite version. So install from disk here, and as usual, this is the plugin over here. We can select the folder again, and when you use the Lite version, you have a lot more options. For example, you can say to the APIs to use the sequential ordering for the images, or you can say to use nice sensitivity when creating the feature points in the images, or you can also say to use a custom detail set. For example, I want to have 2K textures, but only the diffuse texture, and also max poly count to use as a reference number for the computation of the 3D model itself. So let's start with this, and also this one with a full detail set compute, and let's see the results. So this is the first model, and we only have the diffuse light map, the diffuse map. And this is the second model with the full set of textures, as you can see. Okay, now it's time to see what's new in the Pro version of the plugin. Okay, now the last version is the Pro version, and again, let's install the plugin from the disk, and mesh. To test the Pro version, I want to use a more complex dataset, which is a series of images from my photogrammetry rig for cinema. So this is an extra scanned from the last film we worked on. And so let's see how it works. again, we can choose the folder, and then we have all the options we also have in the light version. So for example, for this model, I want to use an high sensitivity, masking, and custom details. I want to use 4K, but only the diffuse color map. And in the Pro version, we have import camera poses and import point cloud. This is the first version of the Pro version of the plugin. I will use this data to add more stuff, and more is coming soon. And let's see what's the result here. Compute model. Okay, this is the output of the computation, and as you can see, we are also importing the cameras and the sparse point cloud that the APIs, the object capture APIs, are using to compute the 3D model. Let's see the model itself. This is the output of the scan. Let's go here to see the plugin imported a texture in 4K, and we can also play with the camera. So for example, I can select this camera and see the actual camera that created the 3D model. So yeah, this is the first version of the Pro version of the plugin. For sure, I will use all the data that I can extract now from the APIs to do other stuff. So yeah, so the plugin is available right now on Blender Market. I will leave the link in the description of the video. If you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, you can drop a comment in the comment section below, or you can use the link in the description to join my Discord server so we can discuss on the plugin itself. Thanks. Bye bye.